Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, please excuse my hair situation I got going on up here. I was cleaning my house all day and I threw it up in a bun and it looks kind of crazy, but we're just gonna pretend like it looks really great, okay? Thanks. So today I'm going to be filming my Boxycharm unboxing. So I already did the rest of my makeup so that you don't have to see that part, because whatever I'll be getting in my box is what I'll be putting on my face. So each month has a different theme. There's this little card right here that's normally right on top that tells you what the theme of the month is. This month is Galaxy Glow. Then on the back of the card it tells you all of the products that you get in the box, and it tells you how much each product is worth. So I'll be adding up the totals at the end of the video and telling you how much the entire box was worth. So I'm just gonna get started, and oh, there's also a little 20% off my next purchase on coverfx.com, so that's cool. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start off with is this little guy right here. This is a lip exfoliator and it's by the brand Pierre, and it's a little like chapstick lip exfoliator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick so I can get my lips nice and exfoliated. Oh, it's a plumping lip exfoliator too. Huh. Well, let's see about that, shall we? It tastes good. I feel like it reminds me of something and I don't know what it is, which is bothering me. It feels kind of tingly too. Yeah, my lips feel a lot smoother and nice. As far as plumping, I don't know about that. But it definitely worked. My lips feel nice and exfoliated and they don't feel too dry. Sometimes lip exfoliators, for me, after I'm done using them, it kind of feels like dry, but that doesn't feel that way with this. And it tasted good, so I like it and I think it worked. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to pull out is this right here. This is a brush trio from Crown brushes, and so I'm just gonna open this. So they give you 3 different brushes, which is really cool. We have this one over here, which, to be honest, I have no idea what to use this for. I'm not quite sure. We have a flat brush like this for like the eyeballs, and then we have a nice fluffy blending brush, which would be good for contour or blush or something like that. So I'll be using these in just a minute. I just wanted to get these opened because the next thing in the box is going to be, actually, okay, I'm gonna get to these two last. I'm gonna take this out of the box, but that goes with this big old guy. So this is a Z palette. So it opens up like this, and if you don't know what a Z palette is, it just means like a magnet. I don't know what the Z stands for, I have no idea. But they're magnetic boards, and then what they're used for is you can put like single eyeshadows or blushes or things like that inside of them. So it's to help keep them organized. So that is from Ofra, and then Ofra also sent a full-size blush that goes in that Z palette. So it looks like this. That's the blush. And you stick this guy right in there. But I'm going to be using that fluffy brush that we got, this guy, and I'm going to be using this as the blush on my chickies. So I actually really like the way that this brush applied the blush. I think that it did a good job of applying the color. I also really like the color of the blush because I feel like it is definitely like a nice like neutral color. It's not too bright, not really one for like brightly colored blushes, and so this one's definitely not that. And it does have a little bit of a sheen to it as well, so I don't know if you can tell, but it definitely kind of like gave me a little bit of a teeny bit of a glow. I like glow. The only thing is I just kind of like wish that this blush came in a package on its own. Like, I just feel like I'm never going to use this Z palette. We'll see. Maybe since I have one now, maybe I'll start buying like single eyeshadows online or something like that, but yeah, so I have like this one blush and this big old palette. And the next thing in the box is going to be this. This is what I've been really excited for. I saw that we were getting these all in our boxes and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. I haven't even opened the package yet, so I don't know what it looks like, but this is going to be a Cover FX Shimmer Veil. So it looks like this. It is a small tube that has some really pretty sparkly pinky purpley stuff inside of it. And then if you read this on the card, because at first I was not sure what this was, but then I read the description and it says these multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmer effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. So I believe you put this on your eyeballs, so I think I'll be doing just a really simple eye look with this, and yeah, I'll be doing that right now. I'm just gonna take some of my Benefit Hoola bronzer and put that in my crease. I'm going to be taking that little flat brush that I got in my Boxycharm and I'm going to just blend that out using this. Alright, and then the last thing in my box is going to be this little eyeliner right here. This is a black smoky eye pencil in jet black from the brand Vintage. So I'm going to be using this in my tight line and also on my waterline, and then we'll see how it works. So I was actually really impressed with this pencil. This is not like a crayon pencil, the ones like that you have to twist up. This is like a wooden pencil, the kind that you have to sharpen with a sharpener. And I feel like those tend to be a little bit more dry and don't give off as much color, but I did not feel like that with this one at all. In fact, it actually went on really smoothly and nicely, and my waterline is black and it seems like it works really well. So sometimes my problem with putting eyeliner on my waterline is that it tends to just fade so quickly. So we'll see. I don't know how long this will last, but so far I really like it. So I was kind of thinking about highlighting my cheekbones using this. Uh-oh. Abort! Oh gosh. Okay, well that was a fail. I have a little, like a purple stripe on my cheek that didn't blend out. This stuff dries pretty much immediately, like as soon as it touches the skin, which is what I really liked about it, putting it on my eyeballs. I don't know why I thought that I could blend it out onto my cheekbones. I put a little bit on my hand a minute ago and I sort of like rubbed that in with my finger, and it was just this really pretty like sheer, you know, glitter shimmer. So I thought it would do the same on my cheeks, but obviously that's not the case, and so now I'm stuck with an actual purple stripe on my cheek that is not blending out. Okay, well, I've got to do the same to the other side to make it look even, and then we're gonna fix it. So I have no idea what I was thinking when I was thinking that that would be a good idea. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna take my Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten cheek trio thingy, and I'm gonna use the highlighting shade in the middle, and I'm just gonna put this over the purple stripe, and we'll see that if that does anything to fix it. Well, I did my best. It kind of covered it up a little bit, but you can definitely tell I have a purple stripe underneath my highlighter. So I'm just gonna finish up the look with mascara, and I'll be right back. And last but not least, I'm going to be using my Girlactic Matte Lip Paint in the color Posh. This was also something that I got in one of my Boxycharms last month or the month before, and I really like it. It's a liquid lipstick, so I'm just going to be putting that on real quick. So I think I'm going to go ahead and finish everything off with my Moonchild lip gloss over the top, just to give it a little something extra. So So this is it. This is the finished look, and now I'm going to be adding up all of the products for you. I'll be letting you know how much each one is worth and how much the total box is worth this month. So the first thing was that Pure Cosmetics, the lip scrub and the lip exfoliator thingy, and that is worth $17. And then the second thing, which was the Crown Brush Trio set, was worth $29.99. And then the Ofra Cosmetics Z Palette in Blush was worth, the blush is worth $12 and the Z Palette is worth $19. And then the Cover FX Shimmer Veil is worth $28. And the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil is worth $21. So now I'm going to add this all up and tell you how much the box is worth. So the total cost of the box is $126.99, which is crazy because I only paid $21 a month for it. So you definitely get your money's worth with Boxycharm. I think every single box is supposed to be worth over $100, so which is just such a good deal. Paying $21 a month to be able to receive high-end makeup products that you don't have to go out and spend the money on yourself, just so that you can see if you like them or not, is just so worth it to me. And there's been so many things I've gotten in my boxes that I love and I still continue to use, and it's just great. So I highly recommend them. So I'll be doing these monthly. Every month that I get my Boxycharm, I'll be filming a video. So let me know if you like these videos and if you want to keep seeing them. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. It's my cat. No. Okay. How much the box was worth. Oh, my cats, man. Oh my gosh.